come with me for a dive in Cabbage Tree Bay, the amazing marine sanctuary in Manly, Sydney. Follow along, and here's my guide, one of the many Blue Gropers. There's my favourite friend. For now I'm calling him Big Blue, my most playful groper buddy. We got surrounded by a mob of other divers, and it got a little bit too busy for us both, so I signalled to my Big Blue friend that, hey, let's head for the shallows and go and play in our little rock garden over there. And he agreed, so we buggered off. And here he is, swimming back in. We're playing in the shallows where sometimes the wave breaks, but that was happy for us. It kept the divers away. A lot of the time in this very shallow water, Big Blue was swimming directly under my chest, mirroring my movements. So close I couldn't even film. But it was very beautiful being trusted so much and having his company. And look at this awesome little orange cleaner fish that turned up on Big Blue's face, clearly doing a bit of a spa day. Well, that was heaps of fun, but I'm going to head off now and see what else I can find. Thanks for playing, Big Blue. I'll see you again soon. Found some dusky flathead. They're amazing fish that can get really large. In fact, in another location I found one that is about as long as my body. She would be maximum size. These were just mid-sized, and really beautiful to see them hiding in the sand. At the end of my dive, I managed to get some footage of the dusky whaler shark that had been speeding around just out of my eye line for most of my dive. If you enjoyed the video, do the old like and subscribe. See you next time.